Hi everyone, I'm Sean and welcome back to PooLin's channel. In this session, we will walk you through how to install the embroidery hoop on our EOC03 and perform a fabric tension test. This is a crucial step for every embroidery project. Proper hoop installation and tension adjustment will keep your design smooth and beautiful, while also protecting your machine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will help you handle the process of greater confidence and skill. First, get your embroidery hoop, stabilizer, the fabric you'll be testing on, as well as your embroidery thread and bobbin ready. When threading the embroidery thread, lift the presser foot and place the thread under the thread guide plate. The bobbin thread should pass through the small slot at the bottom. This setup is essential to ensure your machine maintains stable tension. Take out the embroidery hoop and loosen the hoop screw to separate the inner and outer hoops. Pay attention to the small arrows on the hoops. They need to be aligned with each other. Place a piece of stabilizer on the outer hoop, making sure there's some extra around the edges so it stays securely in space. Then, lay your test fabric over the stabilizer and outer hoop. Position the inner hoop on the top of the fabric, making sure the arrows on the inner and the outer hoops are aligned. Press the inner hoop down until it snaps completely into the outer hoop. Gently put the fabric around the edges and ensure it's smooth and taut. Then, tighten the screw. Lift the presser foot and place the embroidery hoop onto the machine. Align the hoop slash with the machine slot. Then press it down. You should hear a click. That means the hoop is securely installed. Once the hoop is in place, we are ready to go the tension test. On the machine, select the text function and choose a capital letter I or any other letter you prefer. Please do not change any other settings for the letter, such as resizing or adjusting the stitch density. For the EOC03, the recommended tension is usually set to 4. The higher the number, the tighter the thread tension. Adjust the machine's top thread tension to 4, then start the embroidery and wait for it to finish. Check the back of the test embroidery to see how much of the bobbin thread shows. Ideally, the bobbin thread should cover about 1/3 of the back. If you see too much bobbin thread on the back, it means the top thread tension is too high. Reduce the tension slightly. If there is too little bobbin thread, the tension is too low, raise it a bit. Well done! That's all for today's complete teaching on installing the embroidery hoop and performing a tension test on our EOC03. And please remember, proper hoop installation and balanced thread tension are the keys to keeping your embroidery smooth and protecting your machine. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and follow us, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.